Hey guys, so we're going to work on another one, which is going to be sliding objects. So I'm just going to kind of take some of the stuff that we had before and copy and paste it. First thing is create an object, or a page. I'll call it sliding objects. HTML. You could call it anything. I just wanted to call it that. And what I'm going to do here is grab some of the functionality that I have in place and just paste it over there so I don't have to type it again, which is nice. You could do something like that. So we'll copy and paste that, and I'll come down here. We'll have to do the same thing with the script. We could do that, and we could do, I think that's all we're going to do on that one. We could do head and stuff like that. Actually, I just see I didn't do a head there. So let's do this as hide objects there. Let's come down here and do this. Let's use last script. We're going to have a style that we're going to put inside here. And I'll just empty it out right here. And then we're going to have our heading. Then we're going to get rid of, and then we're going to have a body down here as well. So we'll have a body. So we're just kind of doing the shell of it right now. And then we'll have a body ending. And then we'll have HTML ending. Perfect. All right. So that is the start of it. We have our shell set up. We can go ahead and at least start our HTML aspect of it, and then we'll go out and see what we got. So let's start here. Oops. Let's do a division ID equals, and we'll add this stuff in once we do the CSS, so it's not a big deal. So we'll call the ID flip for now, and say click to slide. Oops. To slide down the panel. So all we're doing is creating a panel and sliding it up and down, basically, is what we're trying to accomplish here. And we'll create another ID, and we'll call this one panel. So we'll have a panel, and once it slides down, we'll say it works. Yay. And we'll close that out. All right, so let's save this. We should have nothing right now. So if we go out to the page, where's it at? Right there. Come on here. And we have sliding objects. Click down the slide. So right now we just have HTML. Nothing works. It's all static right now. So a couple things that we need to do is we need to add some style. And we need to add a script. So let's start off with the style first. So we'll indent over. And we'll call it panel. Why we call it panel? Because that's what we call this down here. So we need to have some type of ID. Comma. Flip. Now I want you guys to call these different names. I don't want you to use the same names I did. I want you to use something else so you can see how it works. All right, so we'll come down here and do some padding, and I'll make it 5px, and we could change this text align. We'll make it a center because that's what we want. We'll center it. The other thing is background colors. Now I chose something bright because sometimes I think I just love I love bright colors, and maybe it's just me. So let's do background color, and you could change it to anything you want to. And then I'll do a border, solid, so I want it to be solid, and then I'll make it all white. All right, so that is the aspect panel there. I'll come down here, and then I'll do a panel again. I'll do panel, and I'll do padding separate. Now we could also create if we wanted to do a different route, we could create a style.css and call that and have it do all this as well. But I'm just doing it in here for now. Then I'll do display none, and that will end our style, I think. And am I missing something? I don't think so, but you know, when things don't work, I'll find out if I'm missing something. It kind of looks like I am. All right, so I have style, panel, comma, flip. This and that. That looks good. Let's see here. Then I come down here to panel. There's a like something. Oh, we'll play with it and go from there. All right, so we have the head. We got the body. So now we need some code to do something. So we have the script. We have where it's calling. All right, so let's go up here, and I'll indent it a little bit. I'll do document. Dot ready, not read this time. We'll do a function call and curly brace, And within curly brace, we'll do kind of what we did when we went over to hide objects. We're going to do kind of the same thing over here. So we're going to do $, flip, and then we're going to come over here and do a click, and then function, and curly brace again, and then we're going to come down here and say panel, oops, panel dot slide down, because now we're using that feature of jQuery, slide down. We'll just say slow. And all right, so we need to end this, and we need to end this, and I think that's it right there. So let me save it. Let's go out and see if it actually works. All right, so now we have the color that we want it, the green. Click to slide down panel, click on it, it works. Now maybe for a challenge I have you slide it back up, but if you could figure slide down, maybe something to slide up, and what it would do is take this and move it up. So that is this video right here on this slide down panel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.